Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna recommend 5 movies, and the genre for these movies will be action, thriller, crime, like lots of bike and car chase, guns and killing and stuff. So let's get started. All the details of the movie will be mentioned on your screen, and I'll leave the trailer link for each of the movie in the description box. So the first movie on the list is Charlie's Angels. So giving you a quick storyline of this movie. This movie is basically about a security and an investigation agency, which is run by highly trained, brave, and smart women. And all the women are trained by one person named as Bosley. So basically, इस story में ये होता है कि there is a mole inside the organization, and which leads to certain events. So it's all about that. Very exciting movie, lots of action. We have assassins, killing, and a very good movie. This movie gives a strong message of girl empowerment and what they are capable of doing if they believe in themselves. Moving on the list, the next movie is Six Underground, quite a famous one, starring Ryan Reynolds. So इस movie में क्या होता है? Basically there are 6 people who are dead for the world, but they are not actually dead. So that's their power, the freedom of being dead but being alive. So इसमें वो basically we can say they go for missions to change the world, and as the name suggests, Six Underground, so it's mainly a team of 6 people जिनकी खुद कुछ specifications होती हैं, like one is super rich, one is a crazy driver, and one strength is spark over, and so on. So very amazing movie in sense of action. Highlighting the best parts of this movie, तो like बहुत ही amazing gadgets and technology use करते हैं, और car chase तो बहुत amazing थी, like I really liked it. Moving on the list, the third movie is Colombiana. So in this movie there is a young girl who grows to be a stone cold assassin. She witnessed her parents murdered by some gangsters in her childhood. So the basic motive behind the whole storyline is the revenge the girl takes for the murder of her parents. She basically works as a hitman for her uncle, and then the series of events occur, and finally she takes her revenge. So yeah, that's about it. The stunts performed in this movie, it's not like a piece of cake to execute. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मतलब स्टंटमैन को बुला के से फालतू के स्टंट्स करवा दिए. जो भी इसमें स्टंट्स परफॉर्म हुए बाय द एक्ट्रेस वो बहुत अमेजिंग है, एंड लाइक आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. दिस मूवी contains very much of killing and revenge feeling. The other ones I'm going to mention in this list, they have other aspects as well, like some have comedy or friends thing and family thing and stuff like that, but this is purely killing and revenge. The fourth movie on the list is Bloodshot, starring Vin Diesel. So in this movie, Vin Diesel plays the role of a soldier who dies in a battle, but using some high-tech advanced technology, he's brought back to life, and by tweaking with his memory, by playing with his memory using the technology, he's being used as a hitman for eliminating the targets and some bad people. So that's about it. There's also an angle of her wife died, in fact killed by someone. So that's a major part and an interesting part of this movie. इस मूवी का बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि हर डिटेल को बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया हुआ है. लाइक जब एक्टर को गोली लगती है तो द स्किन स्टार्ट्स फॉर्मिंग बैक, तो जो फॉर्मेशन होती है वो इतनी डिटेल तरीके से दिखा रखी है, लाइक रियली अमेजिंग. और इसमें एक सीन होता है कि व्हेन फाइट सीन, कि जब वो काफी हाइट से नीचे गिर रहे होते हैं, तो वो सीन वाज रियली अमेजिंग, लाइक काफी अच्छी से डिटेल्स एंड सब कुछ प्लान आउट करा था. नाउ द लास्ट ऑन द लिस्ट, द फिफ्थ मूवी इज बैड बॉयज फॉर लाइफ, स्टारिंग विल स्मिथ. So in this movie, Will Smith, along with his teammate and other members, try to eliminate Miami drug cartel. In this movie, the friends angle and the family angle is also highlighted very much. So an amazing action, like if you notice the details, really amazing. So a must watch. So guys, that's it for this video. Do tell me how you like my recommendations, and thank you for watching.